So today we are going to read a book about pumpkins. But before we do that, I thought I would take you on a tour of the pumpkin farm where I live. So this is my dog Atticus, and we are on the farm going for a walk, and I thought I would share with you this is a farm right next door to where I live, and over here are the greenhouses. Holy cow! Look at the size of these cauliflowers. It's gigantic. Wow! Here, I'll show you next to my dog's head. Look how big that is. It's almost as big as my dog. I call this cabbage row because it's all full of cabbages. Purple cabbages, green cabbages. Inside these individual greenhouses are vegetables. This one has peppers, and if you'll notice, they have ropes that take them all the way vertically to the ceiling. There's another greenhouse. This one has tomatoes. It's pretty late in the season, so most of the foliage, the leaves, are turning brown. Oh my goodness, you think my dog likes this hay? Now inside the greenhouse are lots and lots and lots of pumpkins. Now this is the sad part. This is where the squished and dented and rotting pumpkins go to become compost to feed next year's crop. My dog likes picking them up out of the soil and running around with them and throwing them like they're balls. So we're going to leave.